Hello dear students, good morning to all of you. Today we will discuss about exercise 5.1. Okay, in which question number 1 you will do by yourself because you see true false and the concept I will giving you already. Okay, I will tell you question number second. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड्स में क्या है आपके डिफरेंट क्या है डेफिनेशंस है. ठीक है, तो मैं आपको नोट करवा देता हूँ यहाँ पे. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड फर्स्ट पैरेलल लाइन. ओके, पैरेलल लाइंस क्या होते हैं? द लाइंस दे आर द टू लाइंस on the same plane and these two lines are never intersect to each other at any point. So these lines are called parallel lines. ठीक है, तो इट कैन बी डिनोटेड एज अ लाइन ए बी एंड लाइन सी डी. ओके, द लाइन ए बी पैरेलल टू लाइन सी डी. दैट मीन्स these two lines are never intersected to each other at any point. Okay, so this is called parallel lines and lines are made up of 2 points. ठीक है, 2 points and made up of infinitive lines. Okay, so this is the previous connect of the parallel lines. ठीक है, तो ये पहला हो गया parallel lines. How can be denoted as these lines? Okay, already telling you. ठीक है, तो लाइन की डेफिनेशन सभी को पता है, लाइन क्या होते हैं. ठीक है, डायरेक्टली बताता हूं. व्हेन टू लाइंस आर इन द सेम प्लेन एंड वन लाइन is intersected second line at exactly 90 degree, then these lines are called perpendicular lines. Okay, examples: just like line AB and it can be intersected line by through line CD at point D, then we can denote it as a AB perpendicular to, दोनों एक दूसरे पे परपेंडिकुलर, ठीक है, परपेंडिकुलर CD. दिस इज अ साइन ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर, ठीक है, मतलब ये साइन है परपेंडिकुलर का, ये बताया हूँ, इसको ऐसा कोई गोला नहीं बनाना है आपको, ठीक है. इसमें ये समझ में आएगा AB परपेंडिकुलर टू CD और CD परपेंडिकुलर टू AB, ठीक है. These are the perpendicular lines. Okay, a line have a two end point. These are known as, these points are called line segment. Okay, just like here, the line is made up by two line, point A and B. So here line segment is AB. Okay, dear students, in which line are already discussing you, and point is also discussed you. These are line segments. Question number 4. Radius of a circle. The line from the center of the circle to any ending part of the circle is joining is called radius of the circle, ठीक है. तो just like this is a circle with center O and center O origin, ठीक है, and O to the point D. Okay, the line OD is connected from the center to the ending point of the circle. Okay, so this is known as radius of the circle, ठीक है. Line OD is a radius of circle. Square. A quadrilateral. have four lines of equal side which are connected at 90 degree to each other is called square. ठीक है, फोर क्वाड्रिलेटरल, फोर लाइंस ले लेते हैं इक्वल इन साइज, ठीक है। ये थोड़ा थोड़ा दिखेगा वैसे ही, मतलब यहाँ पे फोर साइड है ए बी सी डी, okay, and they are connected through the 90 degree angle, and AB equal to BD is equals to CD is equals to CA, ठीक है। This is a definition of square. क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड में दो स्टेटमेंट्स दिए हुए हैं, ठीक है। So they are different statement, that means they are consistent statement, okay, they are different condition, so that we can say that they are different, they are consistent, and these are not followed by through the any postulate equates postulates, okay, and in a 1 and 2 there is a many undefined terms, okay. These are all written in your back side of your answer in your book, okay. So please follow this answer from your back side of book and write down from this same to same in your book, okay. मैं आपको डायरेक्टली बताता हूँ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, ठीक है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 सॉल्यूशन, लाइंस गिवन है, ठीक है, गिवन लाइन ए बी and point C situated here, and given AC is equals to AB, okay, that's correct. So prove that करना, ठीक है, so that यहां पर लिख देता हूं prove that, क्या प्रूफ करना है, AC is equals to half AB, AC is equals to half AB, okay. So let's see, this is solution directly, this is diagram, okay. So according to this AC is equals to BC, okay. So let's see, AC plus AC प्लस, ठीक है, AB, AC प्लस CB इज इक्वल्स टू AB, ओके, एंड AC फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1, ठीक है, फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 AC इज इक्वल्स टू AB, ओके। तो वी टेक ना AC, ओके, तो AC इज इक्वल्स टू AB, नो AC इज इक्वल्स टू CB, okay. AC is equals to CB, we want AC, we convert CB as in the form of AC, AC plus AC is equals to AB, okay. So there is 2AC, okay, and this one is 2AB, and AC is equals to half of AB, proved, ओके। कैसे समझ में आ गया, इधर पे 2 मल्टीप्लाई पे इधर ट्रांसफर करूंगा तो ये हो जाएगा डिवाइडेड ऑफ दी हाफ एबी, प्रूव्ड, ओके। Okay, question number 5 में क्या बोला हुआ है? In previously we have proved AC is equals to half AB. Okay, that means there is only one midpoint, but according to question number 5, so that only one midpoint. Okay, so let's see. Let line AB has let line AB have two midpoint. C and D, then it can be written as C is equals to AC is equals to half AB and AD is equals to half AB from 1 to, okay, from equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2, AC is equals to AD, means that both are at the same point and coincide to each other. ठीक है, just like this one is line AB and point C and D both are at the same place, so that prove that the line has only a one midpoint. Okay dear students, this is a solution. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 आप लोगों के लिए होमवर्क है, ठीक है, आप इसको थोड़ा सा ध्यान दीजिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 4 से मिल करके बना हुआ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, सो प्लीज सॉर्ट आउट. ओके, लाइन ड्रॉ करिए और वहां पे देखो कौन कौन सी चीजें जो है वो इक्वल्स हैं. मैं आपको डायरेक्टली बताता हूँ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, Axiom 5, the whole is greater than part. This is universal truth. Okay, why this is universal truth? Because the part, the whole is always made up of from the part therefore whole is always greater than part. Okay, this is universal truth. Okay dear student, finally exercise 5.2 is over. Next video 5.2 is over also. Okay, and then finally our chapter is over and we will beginning from our new chapter, chapter number 6.